Good evening, my friends. We are going to talk about meme coins. New meme coins continue to captivate the cryptocurrency market in 2024, driven by the humor appeal, community dynamics, and often surprising returns. These coins, characterized by the light-hearted origin, have evolved into serious investment opportunities for some. The emergence of new projects like Pepe, Unchained, and Shiba Shootout reflects this trend. Pepe combines meme culture with its blockchain, offering substantial staking rewards, while Shiba Shootout embraces a Wild West theme, targeting emphasizes of rage, humor, and gaming. Another notable trend among meme coins is the pivot towards utility and ecosystem building. Coins like Crypto All Stars and Flockes integrate staking and reward mechanism, making them more mere jokes. For instance, stars allows users to take popular meme coins under one ecosystem, offering impressive yields of up to 40 46.463% allowed percentage yield. Meanwhile, Flock incentive-rich voting base participating as its community, merging governance with entertainment. Some meme coins are leveraging cultural relevance and current events to attract attention. Projects like Freedom Fighters capitalized on global themes such as political campaigns, integrating as political campaigns humor and serious narratives. These projects foster a sense of urgency and relevance, drawing in both usual enthusiastic and investors who resonate with their themes. Interoperability and technology advancements are also emerging within the category. For example, Doggy Squad introduced a layer 2 solution for Dogecoin, making transaction faster, more cost effective. They highlight how meme coins are incorporating advanced blockchain technology to remain competitive with other targets benefits. Community involvement remains on the heart of many coins success. The type surrounding new launches of what stems from social media campaign and influence endorsement. Platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and TikTok serve as fertile grounds for those coins to gain transaction as communities actively engage in promoting their favorite tokens. The phenomenon has created a loop where community sentiment directly influences coin value. Despite their entertainment focus, many coins are already speculative. Many lack robust use coins cases or interactive value, making them susceptible to validity and short-lived popularity. Investors are advised to access the projects to roadmap, community engagement, and any utility the coin offer more community funds. Looking ahead, the continued rise of meme coins in 2024 is expected to intersect with larger crypto trends Themes like decentralization, eco-friendly protocols, and integration with decentralized finance might further shape their development. As memory coins explore these avenues, they could evolve beyond the current rich appeal to achieve broader adoption. Untimely mini-coins are a reflection of internet culture and the power of digital communities. While their speculative nature carries risk, their potential for explosive growth ensures they remain a key part of the crypto landscape in 2024. With careful research, with the understanding of the unique dynamics, these tokens can be both entertaining and potentially rewarding investment. Thank you very much for sharing with me, and I hope look forward to come to you again tomorrow at this time. Thank you. Take care. Good evening.